What's up, my friends? So if you ever wanted to know how to get into DIY green cleaning and green cleaning products, but don't know where to start, if you answered yes, then you are going to love today's video because I'm going to introduce you to the 8 basic ingredients that you're going to need in order to face any dirty DIY dilemma you find yourself in. Let's get started. Starting in the B's, baking soda. Baking soda is a mild abrasive. In a lot of situations, all you need is a little baking soda belief, a little elbow grease, and it just provides a great grit for scrubbing. It's great for removing odors. It can also serve as a stain remover. We've used it on our stainless steel sinks and coffee pots for years in our cleaning business. Number 2, moving right along, Borax. Primarily you find this stuff in your DIY laundry detergent recipes because it's a booster. It gives that detergent a little bit more pat behind that punch, a little bit more power. It makes it more effective at cleaning, fighting stains, deodorizing, and also disinfecting. Number 3, Castile Soap, or some kind of dish soap. This is where you get your cleaning power from. This is one of the best multi-purpose cleaners on the list. Your Castile soap, your dish soaps, these are your degreasers. You pretty much can use this stuff to clean anything with. And you might be wondering, well, what's dish soap doing on the list? Isn't this green cleaning? Well, this is green cleaning, but keep in mind, chemical-free cleaning and green cleaning, by definition, are 2 different things. Green cleaning means just better for the environment, better for humans. Chemical-free cleaning means just that, chemical-free. Number 4, distilled white vinegar. This one's going to take me a minute because this comes with a whole heap of bad information. Distilled white vinegar is primarily used as a disinfectant in the green community, the DIY green community. Although it's not that great of a disinfectant, it's actually been proven in laboratories, real studies, that undiluted vinegar only kills about 90% of germs and 80% of viruses. And in order for something to be classified as a disinfectant by the EPA, it's got to kill 99% of germs and bacteria. Thus, that's why on cleaning products you see it says kills 99% of germs and bacteria, because they wanted to get that product registered as a disinfectant, so they had to put that on the labeling. And the EPA makes them do various tests and stuff to make sure that, it qualifies as a disinfectant. It's got to test its kill claims, if you will. On top of that, most DIY recipes call for diluted vinegar, right? Well, I just told you undiluted vinegar only kills 80-90, so diluted vinegar is going to be way less powerful and effective when it comes to disinfecting. And despite what people tell you, it is not a good cleaner and degreaser. People that say vinegar is a good cleaner degreaser, it's like they don't even clean. Like they just read it on some blog or watched some video, someone told them something about it, and now they're just trying to create content themselves and write an article themselves, make a video themselves, and what happens is they just end up circulating bad, false, mythical information over and over and over again. And vinegar is a horrible cleaner degreaser. I'll tell you, you wanna use some vinegar? Fill you a bucket of water, add a cap full of vinegar to it, go try to mop your floors with it, and you, my friend, have created a phenomenal way to waste your time. Vinegar is an acid. You know what it's good for? Eating away and dissolving inorganic soils like limescale buildup, hard water buildup, all that stuff you find in your shower head, in your coffee pot, in a humidifier. But cleaning and degreasing is not on the list. Because it's an acid! Your DIY cleaning power comes from your soaps, your Castile soap, your dish soaps, your Blue Dawn dish soap, right? Because they're alkaline. They have a higher pH. They get in there and they cut and clean and degrease. Number 5, essential oils like eucalyptus oil, tea tree oil, lavender oil. These are primarily used to finish off our DIY concoctions, to make them smell great. Icing on the cake, if you will. Number 6, hydrogen peroxide. This is primarily used as a disinfectant. It bleaches, and it's also good at removing blood stains. Number 7, olive oil. So this is used in a lot of our DIY polishes, okay? A lot of people use the stuff, they put it on their stainless steel appliances to shine them up after they clean them. Number 8, washing soda. So washing soda is kind of like Borax on steroids. Pretty much does the same stuff. It's a laundry booster. Borax has a pH of a 9.5. This stuff is more along the lines of an 11, so it's a little bit stronger. Because it's a little bit stronger, it can be an irritant to the skin. So it's always recommended that when you're handling this stuff that you wear gloves. So that's it, my friends, the 8 basic DIY cleaning ingredients that you will need in order to kickstart a greener life. If you liked the video, give it a big Clean with Confidence thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and if you want to take our relationship to the next level, drop me a comment down below and share with me your favorite DIY cleaning recipe. With that being said, my friends, I hope you've gleaned the information from this video that you were looking for. Use it, remember it, memorize it, and allow it to transform you into the domesticated cleaning savage that I know you are.
Perceive it or not, but you better stop believing there's power in this product to decrease and devour. A 90-minute job just turn into an hour.